So this is how we can remove the Google account from Gmail on a MacBook, right? So let me show you how it works, because if I go to the Safari where I use my Google account, you can see that I'm signed in with one, but I also have like more of them. So if I click on show more accounts, you can see I have another one which might be signed out, but it is still technically in here. So just make sure you click on the remove button in there below it, right? So as you can see, there isn't any other account shown or saved on my computer. Or even in here, the current one, if I click on a sign out like this, right, you can see that it is still technically in here, right? So you can see that it is still part of that, but if I ever go to the sign in page for Gmail, right, I go to the Gmail sign in page, I still have the account in there which says sign out, but it's still saved in here. So I can click on remove account, click the minus icon next to it, and now it is completely empty. So if I now just go to a new sign in to Gmail, there isn't any account in there. So I hope that this was the thing which you were looking for, right? And let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you were actually searching. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.